I'm Natalie Dibish and I'm a fine art fashion photographer based in the UK. Miss Aniela is my artist name and it's also a brand name that covers the production team behind everything that I do as a photographer. What's impressed me about the D810, the new features that really emphasise getting the best quality you can in the picture. So for example, the ISO 64 that allows me to retain the highest quality without losing dynamic range. And also the flat picture control allows me to play a lot more with the particular features to the picture afterwards. Shooting with a 36.5 megapixel camera, I naturally want to use the best optics I can. So I've been using Nikon prime lenses a lot throughout the shoot. 50mm and 85mm for portraits of the model where we're getting closer in and getting this shallow depth of field. Then we've also been using 24-70 zoom lens, which allows me to get different kinds of shots, like for example when I was shooting in the water and wanted to vary up my range that I was getting in terms of the composition, which was very important because I was fixed in my position and wanted to get a variety of wide and slightly even wider shots of the models. And also I've been shooting with a 200mm telephoto lens, which was great for getting very dramatic shallow depth of field shots and also getting some fantastic clarity using the focus points on her eye. We've been using Nikon's creative lighting system, using the speed lights to create dramatic effect with shadows, and then also having a bit more of an elaborate speed light setup with her in the doorway, one speed light behind her to give her a rim light, one to each side to illuminate the room behind her, which was a really dramatic shot and quite eerie as well in the final rendering of her expression in the frame. Other tools we've been using: studio flash, constant lights, both to illuminate the scenes, especially in the wider shots where there's lots going on in the corners of the frame and we want them to all be nicely conveyed in final images. We've been playing with gels to give interesting colour effects. We had blue gels creating a very dramatic theatrical effect as if she was on stage, and fog as well to add dramatic effects to the wider shots. Being one of the first photographers to use the D810 is a great honour. With fashion, you've got so many ingredients that you're looking out for when you're shooting, and you want a tool that's reliable, you want a tool that's by your side.